Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best dropshipper suppliers. Then in this video I will give you a simple method also to get fast shipping. It's take only 3 or 7 days. As you see guys, it's very easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your browser, then in the search bar type CG Dropshipping. As you know guys, CG Dropshipping is one of the most e-commerce platform. Then in this video I will give you how to get fast shipping and get low price. For example, this is the CG Dropshipping. Then after you create your account and verify it with your email address or phone number, then go directly on the top. Then you need to select which warehouse that you are using. For example, I am a dropshipper in United States, then I'll automatically select United States warehouse. Then if you are dropship on China, you can select China or each country that you are using in. Then for example, this is the warehouse United States. Then guys, you need to scroll down on the search bar and tap which product that you want to dropship or which niche that you are working in. For example, I will give you just an example: gadget. Then tap on gadget. Then guys, after tap on the gadget, or which, for example, necklace or any product that you want to drop ship it on your platform. For example, this product, just an example. And guys, first you need to scroll down and go directly on shipping from, then make sure is US warehouse, because when you select US warehouse, it's get automatically you will get fast shipping. As you see guys, you need to scroll down directly. So shipping method is USPS, then estimate delivery, it's take only 3 or 7 days. As you see guys, it's fast shipping. Then guys, go directly on the product. As you see guys, it's also ship product. Then if you want to get low price, you can contact the seller with click on contact a supplier. Then you can contact the supplier to get more to reduce the price of the product and also the shipping fees. As you see guys, this is the easy method to get the best dropshipper suppliers, then the easy method to get fast shipping. As you see guys, this is the easy method to make your platform low risk and also make your account safe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.